Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Brave browser step by step. If you're using Brave for the first time, this beginner-friendly guide will help you understand the basic features and how to browse the web safely and easily. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. When Brave opens, you'll see the home page. At the top of the browser, you'll find the address bar. This is where you can type a website address or search for anything on the internet. Now, click inside the address bar, type google.com and press enter. The Google homepage will open. Next, search for YouTube and open the YouTube website. This shows how you can browse the internet using Brave browser. Now let's open another website. Click the plus icon at the top to create a new tab. In the address bar, type facebook.com and press enter. Brave lets you keep multiple websites open at the same time, making it easy to switch between different tabs. Next, look at the right side of the address bar and click the Brave Shields icon, which looks like a lion. This feature helps block ads, trackers, and other unwanted content, giving you a faster and more private browsing experience. Now click the menu icon in the top right corner of the browser. From here, open Bookmarks to see where you can save your favorite websites for quick access later. After that, open History to view the websites you've visited recently. Then open Downloads to see files you've downloaded using Brave browser. Finally, open Settings. Here you can customize Brave by changing your search engine, appearance, privacy settings, startup options, and many other browser features according to your preferences. As you can see, Brave browser is simple to use, fast, secure, and focused on protecting your privacy while browsing the internet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more browser tutorials and technology guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.